Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do these calculations, and you have 3 alleles. Okay, and I kind of got you started in the hints, but we'll do it here. So if we're looking at the healthy subjects, I'm going to look just at these guys right here, so that are big A, big A. There's 2,333 of them, but each of those individuals have 2 big A's. So if we're calculating how many big A's we have, well, we've got these 2,333 people, but they both have 2, right? But then we have also some A's in these people. 763 are AC. Okay, so that's 763. They just have an A, and then one has a C. And then we have these people that have an A. There's 335 that are AS. And then look along there. Do we have any other A's? We don't. So that's how many A alleles we have. And we can do the same thing for the C alleles, right? So in the C alleles, let's do it in a different color actually. In the C alleles, we've got these guys that have, so 763 that each have 1. We have these guys, 58, that each have 2. So we got to multiply that by 2. And then we have these guys, 23, that also have a C allele. Okay, and then for the S allele, let's do it in yet another color. The S allele, we have any S's? Yeah, so right here we have 335 that have at least one S. We have 23 that have an S, and we have one guy that's got 2 S's, so that's actually 2 alleles, or 1 times 2, okay? So we can calculate each of those, so let's do that. Okay, so if we calculate these, let me do it in yet another color. The total A's are going to be 5,764. The total on the C's is 902, and the total on the S's is 360. Now, we have to decide what percentage that is. So we have to figure out how many actual beads in the bucket, or alleles, did we have. Well, we can see here that we had 3,513 individuals, but each of those individuals carry 2 alleles. That means we actually have double that. We have 7,026 actual alleles. So we got to divide each of these by 7,026 to get percentage. And what you'll find is that we're about 82% A alleles, we're at about 13% C alleles, and we're at about 5% S alleles. And then you can do the same thing for the malaria patients, just using these guys down here. And then again, if we look, how many alleles do we actually have? Well, we have 835 people times 2, so 1,670. All right, so hopefully you can do the rest of it on your own.